Good afternoon. This is take 1000. So, like I said, my sprayer broke, right? So this is the one that stopped working. I think it has something to do with this not being straight. There you go, on camera. Okay, it's not functioning correctly. All right, so what else is still worth keeping? Okay, container is. Straw is clear. I don't think this mechanism is working either, because nothing would come out. And it's not because I had biochar in there. It wasn't sucking to begin with. And it started doing that a couple weeks ago, but I couldn't get it going again. It does look like the pores are a little clogged, but that wouldn't stop it from going. Anyway, this part's trash, okay? This part's trash. Okay, so we got container. We can use that for measuring only if we want to, or use this interchanged with the new one. Say for instance we only want to put our greens mix in one and a flour mix in the other, or whatever else, and you just want to keep the container to that particular fertilizer or whatever you're doing. Even label it. Don't peel these off. Use them to write on. Get some Sharpies, or get some Sharpies that will last. Now, here's the new one, okay? Now, I took, let's take it apart, show you. Okay, so when I went to Home Depot, this is over by the seeds and ant bait and shit like that, okay? So you get an extra long straw with it, instructions. This piece, okay, I took it off the old one. It still had a good seal. That's what's in the wand, okay? And this quick connect is from another sprayer that either broke and I threw away, or I lost, or whatever. Okay, so this is from the old sprayer that broke down, and this piece is still good, okay? So now I can do a quick release without turning the water on. I can go get my sprayer and just connect it and not have to worry about on and off water. All right, so it already comes with the straw in it. Okay, now depending on the store you get this from, it may be assembled already like this. Okay, my Home Depot was like this. Okay, just like that. I have seen it at Ace Hardware with all the little pieces taken off and the instructions all in the inside. Okay, this is a good size for me. This goes up to 32 ounces. All right. So for now, all I need is this piece. Okay. And I can save this as a backup when that plastic one fails finally, okay? And obviously this is plastic too, but I'll store it away and I'll use it when I need it. And I can go and get a metal one from the hardware store, and it'll last even longer, okay? So we got leftover good parts and garbage. So there's your little tidbit for your little spray bottle.